So in the previous demonstration, we mentioned Pascal's addition formula, which says that n choose m is equal to n minus 1 choose m plus n minus 1 choose m minus 1. And we gave a proof of this based on the factorial formula for binomial coefficients. But on this slide, we're just going to give a combinatorial proof, a bijective proof, showing that two sets have the same size and deducing this formula from that. So we're going to focus on the case where n is 8 and m is 5. So the claim in this case is that 8 choose 5 is 7 choose 5 plus 7 choose 4. We're going to give a proof in this case, but it's very easy to see how the general proof follows the same pattern. Okay, so on the left-hand side, we've got 8 choose 5. That's the number of subsets of size 5 in 1 up to 8. And we're going to divide these into two groups, one group of size 7 choose 5 and the other group of size 7 choose 4. The first group, that's shown on the left over here, these are all the subsets of 1 up to 8 that don't contain 8. Okay, and if they don't contain 8, that means that they're subsets of 1 up to 7. So the number of possibilities here, we've just got subsets of size 5 in 1 up to 7, and so there's 7 choose 5 as the number of possibilities. 7 choose 5, you work it out, it's 21, and you can also just easily see that by counting this number of entries in this table here, there's 7 rows of 3, so that's 21. On the right hand side, we've got all the subsets of size 5 in 1 up to 8 that do contain 8. Okay, all these guys, they all contain 8, and then they have to contain 4 extra elements. And those 4 extra elements, obviously, they have to be taken from 1 up to 7. Okay, so the number of possibilities here, we have to choose 4 numbers from 1 up to 7. So the number of ways to do that is 7 choose 4. And 7 choose 4, you work it out, you find it's 35, or again, you can just count from here. We've got 7 rows, each of length 5, so that's 35 entries in this right-hand side of the table. Okay, so but taking these two groups together, we've listed all possible subsets of size 5 in 1 up to 8, so the total number of entries has got to be 8 choose 5. So from this we see that 8 choose 5 is 7 choose 5 plus 7 choose 4, as we said.